Today's highest performing, longest lasting engine oils are synthetics, which are typically engineered and manufactured from chemically modified petroleum components. The best synthetic oils ensure less wear and tear. Also, they make sure the engine runs smoothly and offer many benefits compared to conventional oil. It's just a matter of whether or not your vehicle will take advantage of those benefits daily. So if you are interested in buying one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Diesel Oil provides excellent protection against harmful engine wear and sludge. It offers an enhanced fuel economy capability of 1.5% without compromising engine protection or durability. It provides a significantly increased protection against damaging engine wear compared to previous generation API CJ4 engine oils. The advanced multifunctional dispersant additives combined with synthetic base oils provide an enhanced level of protection against the effects of soot, dirt, and other contaminants. Its low ash formulation helps control or poison exhaust after treatment devices, helping maintain vehicle emission compliance and engine fuel efficiency. Also, the oil resists breakdown by heat to provide continuous protection throughout the service interval. However, it resists viscosity loss through shear and will maintain optimal pressure in the engine. Next up on the list, we have the Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic Oil. This full synthetic 0W20 engine oil is made from natural gas, using Pennzoil's patented gas-to-liquid Pure Plus technology. It converts pure natural gas into high-quality, full synthetic base oil that's crystal clear and contains fewer impurities than other traditional and synthetic motor oils. As a result, carbon-neutral motor oil is achieved through verified nature-based carbon credits that offset the CO2 life cycle emissions. It helps protect engines from loss of power and provides better fuel economy drive, on average an extra 550 miles per year. Plus, it can keep pistons dramatically cleaner than required by the toughest industry standards. Additionally, this oil delivers unsurpassed sludge protection to help keep high-performance and luxury car engines as close as possible to factory clean. Moving on, next on the line, we have the Castrol Edge Biosynthetic Motor Oil. It is eco-engineered to combine the patented fluid titanium technology with the natural lubricating properties of plants. This oil is made with 25% plant-based oil. Castrol Edge Biosynthetic transforms its structure under pressure to keep metal apart. It reduces friction for maximum engine performance and is a bio-derived motor oil that meets the toughest industry standards. This motor oil can decrease engine deposit formation to help maximize engine response. On the other hand, it reduces metal-to-metal contact across a range of different driving speeds and protects the engine for the entire drain interval, even under extreme pressure. Up next on the list, we have the Liqui Moly 2332 engine oil. It offers rapid oil delivery at low temperatures, high lubrication reliability at high and low temperatures. This oil ensures long engine service life due to a high level of protection against wear, mixable and compatible with commercially available engine oils. While using this oil, you can be sure of the outstanding engine cleanliness, tested with catalytic converters, and performance proved with turbochargers. You get optimum oil pressure at all speeds, rapid oil delivery at low temperatures. It is also designed for modern gasoline and diesel engines with multi-valve technology, turbocharger and/or without charge air cooling. Up next, we have Royal Purple 06530 6PK High Performance Synthetic Motor Oil. This oil combines premium base oils with proprietary additive technologies to create high-performance motor oils that optimize engine performance and provide superior protection. The oil comes in a convenient bottle with a handle so that you can dispense it smoothly. It delivers excellent stability and improves performance in gasoline and diesel engines. It uses patented ZDDP additives to protect the catalytic emission system. The patented additive technology prevents the white sludge and lubrication starvation that can occur with 20% or higher ethanol fuel. Also, it has a low coefficient of friction results in optimized fuel efficiency. The increased pressure is met with increased viscosity to meet your modified engine's demands with a higher level of performance and protection. to improve fuel economy and extend engine life for vehicles of all ages. Next on the line, we have the Mobil 12758 synthetic motor oil. Its uniform synthetic oil molecules reduce friction, helping to prevent deposits and sludge buildup, providing outstanding engine wear protection. This technologically advanced formulation offers excellent internal engine heat protection and lower temperature capabilities, supporting quick cold weather starting and ultra-fast protection. This oil meets ILSAC GF6 standards to help provide low-speed pre-ignition, timing chain wear protection, while keeping your engine clean and helping your fuel economy. However, it also helps control oxidation to prevent oil breakdown. Moreover, it is recommended for all types of modern vehicles, including high-performance, turbocharged, and supercharged gasoline and diesel multi-valve fuel-injected engines found in passenger cars, SUVs, light vans, and light trucks. Last on the video, but at the top of the list, we have the Amsoil Signature Series. This engine oil offers 75% more engine protection against horsepower loss and wear than required by the industry standard, extending the life of vital components like pistons and cams. It develops a strong fluid film that keeps metal surfaces separated. This oil guarantees protection for up to 25,000 miles by creating a strong fluid film that keeps metal surfaces separated. Its robust anti-wear additives further reduce wear in metal-to-metal contact regions for maximum engine life. The Sequence IVA engine test, which must be passed to meet the industry standard API-SN specification, simulates extended stop-and-go driving periods. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day!